Oh boy. Let me show y'all some. OBS Silverado SS 454 big block under the hood. From this to a battery pack. Silverado SS. One of my favorite Silverados behind the OBS. 6.0 LS. From this to a battery pack. Just look. 90s, early 2000s. Early 2000s, mid 2000s. From that to this. And then they got the nerd to take the design of the Cadillac Escalade EXT and the Avalanche. Like, who told y'all this was okay? Oh, I know who told y'all it was okay. Let me guess. It was Maria. She gotta go, bro. Maria got to go. Get her out of here now. Get her out of here, bro. She gotta go. Like, enough is enough. Like, she can go.